Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to cast a TikTok video or post to your TV. So assuming you already have the casting feature turned on, you have Wi-Fi enabled with all your devices, you just want to go to the video you want to cast to your TV and select the three-dotted icon on the right side panel. Go ahead and select that and then select the cast button. Go ahead and select that. And then assuming that your TV is turned on and connected to your Wi-Fi network, it should be able to populate in this list here that you want to share or send this device information to. Now you may need a TikTok app for your Fire Stick device or Roku device, or if you have a different smartphone as well. And then once you have that downloaded, it should go ahead and actually sync it up. So that may be a requirement you would need to explore. But pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.